Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to compress a PDF file, retain high quality using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file, or open your PDF or select file option and select your open cloud to go to our computer. I've already opened this file, now I'll compress it. Now select this file option and here you will find this PDF optimizer option, click here. Now select current file and select here reduce file size. Already selected automatically and select current file and automatically select here retain existing text, or you can select different version. Now select here strong compression and select OK and save as your file. Save. Yeah, a PDF file now compress. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.